Technological advancements in trucking. The trucking industry has experienced significant technological advancements in recent years, revolutionizing its efficiency and safety. Three key innovations that have played a vital role in this transformation are telematics, route optimization software, and predictive maintenance systems. Telematics. Telematics is the integration of telecommunications and informatics in vehicles, allowing for real-time data transmission. In trucking, telematics systems use GPS technology and onboard sensors to collect data on vehicle location, speed, fuel consumption, engine performance, and driver behavior. This data is then transmitted to a central server, where it can be analyzed and used to make informed decisions. Telematics offers several benefits to the trucking industry. Fleet managers can track their vehicles in real time, allowing for better monitoring and optimization of routes. This helps reduce fuel consumption and lowers emissions, contributing to a greener and more sustainable trucking operation. Moreover, telematics can improve driver safety by providing feedback on driving habits, encouraging safer driving practices, and identifying potential issues before they escalate into larger problems. Route optimization software. Route optimization software uses algorithms to calculate the most efficient routes for trucks to take based on multiple factors such as distance, traffic conditions, delivery schedules, and vehicle size and weight restrictions. By optimizing routes, trucks can avoid congested areas and minimize idle time, reducing fuel consumption and operational costs. This technology has significant implications for the trucking industry. It enables companies to enhance their delivery timelines and improve customer satisfaction. Moreover, it helps reduce the overall environmental impact of the trucking sector by decreasing unnecessary mileage and emissions. Predictive maintenance systems. Predictive maintenance systems utilize data analytics and machine learning to predict when a truck's components are likely to fail. By continuously monitoring vehicle performance and analyzing sensor data, these systems can detect early signs of potential issues and alert maintenance teams before major breakdowns occur. Predictive maintenance is a game-changer for trucking operations as it leads to increased vehicle uptime, minimizes unexpected breakdowns, and reduces maintenance costs. Trucks can be serviced proactively during scheduled downtime, ensuring that they stay in optimal condition and preventing disruptions in delivery schedules. Overall, these technological advancements have transformed the trucking industry by streamlining operations, optimizing routes, reducing fuel consumption, enhancing safety, and minimizing maintenance-related downtime. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect even more significant improvements in the efficiency and safety of trucking operations, benefiting both the companies and the environment in the long run.